Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah, you gotta work with her.
Your turn. That's good.
Mhm.
Yeah. Oh, my turn? Okay. I might as well put this up.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. There you go. Yeah. Did you know that was your daddy? Or
Standing up on her own.
Yeah, but look where she's standing. Yeah, can you do it? Okay, let's hit this one. Hit it.
Get up on her arm. Your
Show us my finger. You can do it. I'm going to take your finger and do that. Here, let's see this finger. Let me see this finger. No, she don't want me to do it to her. We did it.
Did you do it?
Yeah. Oh, we started something new here. This is something new.
Yes.
Am I going to have to be giving my finger to her?
Yeah, she'll take you to school with her and take you to her jobs. She'll let you do the typing for her.
Hey, I'm trying. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. Yeah. Now, your turn. I'm hiding my finger.
No, it doesn't matter.
I thought I hid my finger. Push hard. Yeah. You're a little doll.
Tell her now she's to do
Your
it.
turn.
Yes, I see what you've got.
Mhm.
Oh, she reached around and got your finger.
Where's that oven? She said. I ain't got no more. I don't have no more back here. Ain't no sense in looking. There ain't no more. There ain't no.
She is determined look too.
She's pulling me over. Now then. Well, you're supposed to do it yourself. That's your job. Uh-oh, Daddy went that way.
Gotta go with Daddy.
I'm following Daddy. You ain't gonna get far, Daddy-o.